Leon Central Elementary School, where the stories are quiet until someone opens them. Today, Cedric is about to discover something magical.
Reading is so boring. Why does Miss Learn make us check out a book every month?
Well, hello there, Cedric. Looking for a book today?
Only because I have to.
A reluctant reader. Don't worry. Sometimes it's not you choosing the book chooses you.
Choose me! I've got explosions, treasure hunts, and a map on page 12 that may lead to a dragon or possibly a pizza place. I forget.
Did that book just stop?
Oh yes, happens all the time.
If you open me, you will travel the world without ever leaving your chair.
Sounds cool, but I get carsick even when reading a menu. Next.
Greetings! I am filled with clues, secret codes, hidden footprints, and suspicious sandwiches.
Suspicious sandwiches?
You have to read to find out what is suspicious.
Tempting, but I'm terrible at solving mysteries. Last week, I couldn't even find my own shoes.
Behold! Inside me are unicorns, wizards, flying potatoes, and a squirrel who becomes king.
Flying potatoes?
Sometimes magic misfires.
Fantasy books can take you anywhere your imagination wants to go.
Actually, that sounds kind of awesome.
Cedric looked at the books. The books looked at Cedric. The moment was dramatic and slightly awkward.
Okay, fine. Maybe books aren't that boring. I'll give this one a try.
Prepare for adventure, young reader! Come back for explosions anytime! And remember, never trust suspicious sandwiches.
See? Every reader has a story waiting for them. You just have to find the right book.
And maybe the book opens you a little too.
And so, Cedric discovered that books aren't just pages. They're portals. And the library, well, it's full of magic for anyone who's willing to look.
Read on!